Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1955 Chevrolet 210, complete nut and bolt rotisserie restored car. There's very few cars that I would say just absolutely impress me when you see them. But man, this chrome yellow, I'm not a big yellow guys. My guys will tell you that. But this chrome yellow on this car with the stance in the wheels, this car makes a statement. I mean, when it's coming down the road, I mean, it looks like it's glowing. Again, complete nut and bolt rotisserie built car. It's got 6,200 miles on it. Now, I will tell you, this car was sold a few years back at another dealership for actually a lot more than we've got it up for. And there's been, I think they said, over $20,000 put into the car since then. Again, gorgeous chrome yellow paint, all new chrome and stainless, except for the door handles, which baffles me, but there's probably a story behind that. Beautifully done. Sorry, a little dust there. Not a whole lot you can really pick at on the car. A little mark on your chrome there. But beautifully done car. New chrome, new stainless. A lot of money spent on this car, guys. A lot of money. One-piece side glass. It's got all tinted glass. You can open the hood, Dale. You can open the hood. Breaking Dale back in. It's been a while since he's done a video. Gorgeous paint. I mean, this color just glows on this car. You can see all new custom leather interior. LED taillights. This little black, what do you call it in there? That's not a chip or anything if you're seeing that. Just beautiful. Man, we got some dust on this thing. I don't know. The boys must have missed some stuff on it. Cars. Just an awesome stance. Laser straight down the sides. It's got a custom $6,000 set of 18-inch wheels on it. They are 18.7s in the front, 18 by 10.5 in the rear. This car is wicked bad. I mean, it is killer. Look at the stance. Four-wheel disc brakes. That stuff is brand new. The brake system was just upgraded. It's got the Wilwood 6-piston caliper fronts on it with the big slotted and drilled rotors. Again, four-wheel disc brake system in it. You can go ahead and open the rest of that stuff. Yep. Just freshened up. Big block 454 engine in it. It's got a MSD EFI system on it. You can see really cool set of valve covers and air cleaner. Chromed intake. It's got hooker, super comp headers, vintage heat and AC. It's got a complete billet pulley system on it. I mean, you can see, that's the guys are pointing out, Dale's a big 55 guy. Just a little upgrades in here. You know, this piece is $150 or something like that. Custom aluminum radiator with, it's got dual electric fans. It's got a complete tubular front suspension. With power rack and pinion steering. It has, again, the brake system has a booster on it, vacuum booster. Look, oh, the front, yeah, the firewall and front fenders. Those are all custom fab. I mean, beautifully done. Car's a show car. Fresh 700 R4 automatic transmission. That was just put in the car. Show you underneath. So Sometimes I get ahead of myself here. Really unique set of wheels. That's just a bug if you're seeing that on there. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Again, one-piece side glass, which is cool. I don't get this. I would bet you these are the original door handles. There's probably a story behind that. That's the only thing I'd replace on the car. So I'd probably put new door handles on it. Complete custom tan leather interior in it. It's got bucket seats, center console. Again, complete full interior. Chrome tilt column with a billet wheel. It's got all Stewart Warner gauges. 62 on your odometer. All the billet trim. Retrosounds radio. It's got the custom kick pad speakers. Again, billet trim in there. It's got a Flowmaster H-pipe dual exhaust system on it. It's got a mini tub with a braced 9-inch 373 limited slip rear axle, ladder bar suspension, or 4-link rear suspension with a 4-corner coil-overs, custom fuel tank. The frame on it's got a California frame underneath it, which of course is the box frame. It's all powder coated. Matter of fact, it's a charcoal metallic, which is pretty cool. Everything opens and closes just that nice. The fit and finish is excellent on it. Again, look out, literally put mirrors on her and take it to a car show. Car drives out excellent. This car is just killer. Interior's nice, seats are nice. Let's go back more. Can't do that with one hand. Custom console. Again, all billet trim. Dash is gorgeous. That's for your EFI. You getting fired up, Dale? Again, I don't get this. It looks to me like they used the original door handles. Like I say, everything's got a story, I guess. Love the side glass. I know the air works. I had the air on. Great car. Great. Really cool. Hard to do with one hand. Again, all custom gauge cluster. All your gauges are working, holding good old pressure. Fuel gauge works down there. Doors open and close, really nice. The fit and finish is excellent. Brake lights? Yep, LED. Give it a little rev, Dale. Great sound. Turn your radio on, Dale.
I'm just trying to get it.
You gotta push it. Push it. No. I don't know. We'll have to check it. That's one thing I did not check. I know the blower motor's working. Wipers are functional. Those are electric. We've upgraded those. Oh, your headlights. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. It's coming out.